In this video, I'll be showing you how to connect your Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro to your PS5 console. Now for this, you will need to use an audio stick like this, and all you need to do is simply plug in this audio stick into your PS5 console. Once it's plugged in, you then want to go ahead and just long press on the button so that it enters pairing mode. And when it starts blinking rapidly, you yourself want to go ahead and place your Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro into pairing mode. So long press on the button at the back of the case until the indicator light starts blinking. Once it's in pairing mode, just take the buds close to the audio stick, and then they should start connecting. It might take a couple of seconds, so just wait patiently. And once they've been connected, you should be able to use your Galaxy Buds 4 Pro to listen to any audio coming from your PlayStation. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.